Then after that,
Wow, eat too much.
then you can let Carmen.
Then mommy.
Guys, we are
Pretty okay people!
I'm Joey. I'm Madi.
I'm Carmen Junior.
What should I say? Fish, right? Eh, how come become girl already? Because
Since when?
where's the boy Eh, since
boy.
like the boy
Boy to man.
that being fun
Oh, the pink funny
Go watch
Like
TikTok
this
right?
one.
You see the guy go and buy ice cream.
The Jibor auntie look at him like, what is wrong with you?
Throw? Okay, no, waste my. Today's topic is none other than what's in my bag. To be honest, right, my bag is full. But today,
Yeah,
topic
because
is
you're
much.
full.
We're gonna have a twist. It's. Everybody, what's in my bag with the Gucci, all the LV? Sorry, I bolui. I only got Adidas.
Sorry, I was some cheap bag, big one, but that's why.
Hey, you buy from where? NTUC, is it?
No my friend did it 21st birthday you want to play
Yeah, also 21st Oh, yeah, this is also my 21st birthday
I also take tote bag. Yeah, but recently I've been taking small bag.
Eh, no, her tote bag right is like those auntie go market one.
Cannot
Then,
is
right,
it?
is
Oh,
the-
by the way, store in a bit. Y'all can find like the moonwood.sg if you want tote bag. You know, coming out soon.
Quiet, don't promote your
Hey,
It's like the-
advertisement.
Her bag.
Tote bag. Okay,
Her bag
please
is like
coming
the
soon and
onion.
dream
You
big.
know, put the onion, those kind. You know those kind of bag, the onion one.
Oh, 红色的
Yeah. That's her bag.
No, the
black
black
colour.
one. I got this.
I start first. I share first lah. Eh, your bag can wait. Your bag also can wait.
My bag more important.
First thing of best thing I have is what? Handphone. You know the handphone. And the next one, right then I have my earbuds. Eh, you cannot travel
So
without this.
big, so big.
Hey, show me your
Check out
one.
this
It's my hand.
Eh, this Iron Man, right? You watch not? My bag, I have my card. But sorry, right? I bought this from Mini, so it was $4.90. Okay, I'm gonna change, guys. It looks poor, man.
Yeah,
My bag got tissue from Hey, how can I open my bag? Oh, you also open your bag.
Just like you take out your wallet, man. Take out. Okay, you continue.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, I saw something, guys.
So
Wow, this one is her leh.
Eh, cute sia.
After smell,
Sure, female. Okay, come back.
I have antibiotics and like for
Standby.
anti-swelling inflammation because
yeah, I told her
I'm
not to
falling
eat
sick.
too much.
Aiyo, you take
My
care of
fri-
yourself.
My friend say put F and lozenges.
School kids
It's good, man. Yeah. Hey,
What's that brand?
No, like kids are free.
Show them.
yeah.
Now everybody need this, right? If you cannot cough, you know. Now cannot
Actually
cough.
impressed with my bag. Look at what I have.
What's that?
What's that? What do you need this for?
Hey, what? Wow. So.
I wonder I have this in my. Oh, it was Mid Autumn.
Oh, the lantern.
Put in
I
the.
see.
Oh, not bad leh.
Put inside.
Ah, see
Baby,
before
you're
leh.
fire. Hey, faster sing with me. 1, 2, 3, go. Baby, you're firework. Come and show the world. Hey, no. We can also 想 you. 1, 2, 3, go. 希望你以后不会后悔没选择我。And then I have hand sanitizer by Cat Sister.
Yeah, I wanted to buy that,
This
but
one,
like,
that's
I was
why
thinking
I
super
show you.
expensive.
Okay, yo, I think
$5 I don't know.
sanitize.
Oh my God.
COVID-19
Oh my God. I want to buy.
Yeah.
Wow, so cute eh.
Smells so
Like
good.
candy like that, right? Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, I wanted to buy that. Wow.
And then I have a rubber band because you know you go outside you eat those Hai Di Lao or whatever lao you need to use this. I have a pen. I have no idea why.
I got the pen.
I have my house key.
Why you got nail clipper here one?
But you want to know what's the best part?
What?
This new clipper is since I was from primary 2. I have receipt, lots of coins,
wow.
card.
Wow, your bank card ah. Come on, read out the.
Hoi.
Let me show
I have
Hey, put
my
some meme eh. Hoi.
Let me show her.
I have my that's a mistake.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
and then I have my work card.
Why is like that only?
You know why?
Teacher will have the
Eh, no, you see, my kids spend the say, Miss Joey here. Like this.
No.
It's okay. I will be the firework in your life. Baby,
beware. This is the teacher nowadays that you get.
No! God, please, no! No!
Alright, so my turn now. Come my bag. Can I give the intro my bag first now? My bag is adventure in process. Number 1, must have mask.
Why you need 2 masks?
Oh, because you know why black color pretty, right? So you wear black color. Then the white color one is the
I thought black color is
Government
vibe.
Government give one.
What?
government give one.
We Singaporean get it for free.
Okay, I got
Yeah,
the
man.
umbrella
Thank you, Singapore government.
from
Hamza,
Taiwan.
Hamida.
We love you,
Hey,
Singapore.
open it.
Already I open up.
I got a song for you.
Wow. Okay, I'm looking for.
Are you ready? Put hands up. Go. Rain, rain.
Oh
go
my God.
away, come again another day. Yeah, now raining
Come
season.
anything also got song
No.
please ah.
Hey, I still got more.
Song only.
Okay, now we are not at the lesson. Out of the teacher mood.
Okay, next one I
What
got.
else? What else? What else?
Shopee voucher lah. This one
Shopee,
wallet. Now needed again in this book my SOD graduation.
Wow.
Of theology, you know, Bible school.
Wow.
I show you, I got this tissue, okay?
You got only one more thing,
Then
man.
I got
I see a lot of
tissue
things,
here, okay? Then
man.
another one, Aiyo, sorry.
Oh, by the way, every time I go with Carmen, right, I will
some more.
always not bring tissue. You know why? Because she bring a lot of tissue. And her
So it's
tissue,
like-
right, every time it's like this kind one.
Yeah,
right?
that's
Then
right.
she will take out from the bag, right? She's like, hey, Mani, sorry, I left this last tissue. This one
We
cannot,
don't
cannot.
have to chop out every time. Okay, then I'm
Hey,
move on.
but at
Okay.
least when you're flu, you know, we can help you.
Nope.
Oh, this one's a special one from Etude House.
Open. Is it packed?
How you know what? You want to see? Come, I show you what bag I use now. It matter, right? Come.
Hey, tissue paper again, guys.
You know, I got lipstick here. Must go out for all girls, you know.
Open everything
What
now.
brand? What brand?
Laneige. I have also receipt here, same as you also. I got receipt.
What is that?
Roto Lychee contact lens. And what's this? Oh, eye drop. Guess what's this?
Don't tell me it's pills again.
Oh, you what?
Hey, both all like 老人区耶 Sorry,
pills
we need to
Mega
segregate this.
It looks like a medicine, right? But actually, right, earrings.
NANI?
Wow.
Wow.
Wow, she ups she go out with this pair of earrings. She like, oh, I need a photo shoot or anything else, right? She
Yeah,
like,
that's
I need
right.
to change my earrings.
This is one of my favorite bottles. Because you know, I used to carry like a big bottle, right? I like to carry big bottle.
Is this glass?
Yeah, it's glass. But anyway, this
So
is my
cute.
keys.
By the way, she's obsessed with Rivera.
Yes.
Oh, it's cute. Greasy.
That's why I showed already, right? Okay,
Yeah,
then.
the 黑掉的 egg.
Yeah, man, black egg already. 超大了. Then, okay, this is my cheap wallet. You see, I'm the most poor person here. I use cheap wallet, guys.
When she took out the wallet,
Sorry.
another tissue came
I
out.
know, right? That's why I tell you. I think she used already and she put back.
Oh my god,
She used already and
it's
put
clean.
back.
Okay, I show you guys, okay? Clean one lah. Wait,
Lucky I sanitized my hand already.
that's about it. I mean, you just see.
Wow.
That's
Oh,
all.
that's what.
Tissue
This
paper
one.
bottle, then hand sanitizer.
Yeah, must
So
bring
big,
one.
If mine is so boring, because
Let's
I
see
always
what this
change
bag
my
has.
bag.
You know what's
Okay,
in my
I will
house,
either
eh?
use this small bag or tote bag. Okay, please support the movement.sg. Okay, let me go through very fast now because mine really very boring.
I got an idea.
What? What you want?
It's gas bag, right? So let's guess what she has.
What else? Okay, I'll do a quick one. So first of all, obviously you have a wallet lah, okay? And then I have a lot of name cards. It's a lot of rubbish eh. I got Haidilao eh.
Wow, you free
So I
one,
think I'm a
right?
yeah, you can't even do it now because of COVID. Okay, so by the way, if you know, currently I'm studying here and this is my short hair.
Mark shot. Mark shot.
Yeah. Okay, that's all. Okay, next thing is mask. Guys, let me tell you all a trick. Buy this mask chain, okay? Hey, excuse me. If
Hey,
it
what
really,
is this?
actually, if it really happens, I don't know what will I do eh.
Stuck
Like
in this
imagine you
room,
stuck in a room, as in your house.
You know, so
You cannot go
worse.
out.
What,
That's not how
it
it use. But guys, please buy it. $1 only. I tell you what is the useful thing. Okay, put
I
here.
think my Ama necklace where can already lah.
Okay? You want eat already? Like that.
Okay.
You want drink water already?
Tutorial now.
Like
eh.
that.
Wow.
I cannot see you, cannot hear.
Okay, then I got my phone. Okay, self intro again. Got this sticker TMM. Go and
TMM 小不是 XNM 啊，小妹妹。
It's TMM. No, my bag very boring. Really leh. Lipstick
Ah,
one.
no,
Got
Okay,
And perfume.
Right. Smells like, oh my gosh.
Wow, it smells good.
Yeah, scrunchies. It's so girly, help. Okay, that's all my keys. Eye drop, Nivea.
Drop your coin later like me, we cannot find our coin.
Actually, that's all. I'm so bored.
Maybe top it down a little bit.
Really got nothing really.
That's about it.
So, what is your most favorite item here?
I tell you what's my favorite, okay?
Oh, the Barang 老人东西不会用的啦，老人东西不会用的。
This one for you.
I use a lot of times already. Now I'm scared, you know, like.
This one. Then you open
I need
right,
actually.
the person angry, just try.
You make spoil my one lah.
Shock eh.
Okay, then I play Scotch tape.
Sorry.
It's okay.
So what's your favorite item? Okay, let's both of us choose. Then each person like choose each other's.
Oh,
我最喜欢 tissue 啦。
wow, you like this one? Okay lah, you very simple. I like.
I say what I like. I like this one.
Why?
This one the UOB card one. I tell you, you all use this one even better, more precious than anything. Just this card everywhere. Then the limit not my problem, it's your problem, right?
吃你吃啊。
Later we go eat Hai Di Lao.
No, come take, just take. Take it all.
She say give later you say you don't treat me, I on this video I show you. Dude, what about mine? What do you like?
I like this. Wow, vintage, no?
I tell you why this one very useful also, okay? Because right, you know sometimes you all want to example let me find a receipt, okay? So let's say you all open potato chip, but you all die also cannot open. So you keep up. I can already! Really?
Excuse me, you got the zigzag thing, right? You can just put from there lah.
Oh, I like this one. This one.
不用选。
Oh,
Oh yeah, can give me this one
I want you also this one.
Actually, I like this one.
Yeah, of course. Fashion statement, man. Fashion statement.
Like some. Oh my god, come post here.
Thumbnail.
Oh my god, I look stupid in this thumbnail.
That's about it for today, guys.
So do